If your washer won't spin or drain, you may not need to call a repair technician. This quick factory reset can resolve many common issues in just a few minutes. This procedure works on Whirlpool, Kenmore, Amana, Crosley, Roper, and Maytag washers and requires no tools or technical experience. If the reset does not work, refer to the linked video on washer error codes for further troubleshooting. Washer reset instructions. Step 1. With the washer turned off, rotate the control dial counterclockwise 1 full rotation. Step 2. Within 6 seconds, turn the dial 3 clicks to the right, 1 click to the left, then 1 click to the right. If the lights flash, the washer is in diagnostic mode. Step 3. Turn the dial 4 additional clicks to the right and press start to complete the reset. Step 4. Wait a few minutes. If the washer shuts down and the lid unlocks, the reset was successful. If lights continue flashing or the lid does not unlock, watch the error code video shown next.